Was that it? Where is the bull market? What about the altcoin season? This is the time of the cycle that your relative, your friends are telling you, told ya, this was all a scam. Why? Because you entered the market at its top, at its local top. Beware my words, local top. This is not the top of the cycle, guys. Come on, don't worry about this, but this may be a local top. To my belief, it will be new highs in the next days. But let's talk about everything that happened in the previous week. Can this happen in a bull market? Wow, look at this, minus 10% in a couple of hours. Yes, it can, and it will happen again and again. That is the only solution for the market makers to earn our money, and we'll talk about it next. Let's talk about Bitcoin dominance. We're going back one cycle to exactly the same date. Here we are. We're starting from end of November to the beginning of the next year. What do we notice here, guys? Look at this. Exactly at the same point, one cycle behind, the same thing happened. We saw the last movement of Bitcoin dominance. So we keep this in mind, we zoom out, and we're going right now again, end of November. Okay, a couple of days later, what do we notice? The Bitcoin dominance starting heating up again. So it may be the same thing like the previous cycle. Bitcoin dominance has its final run. At the same time, guys, Total 3, which is the total cryptocurrency market excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, got rejected at the big resistance level above 1 trillion. Look at this, 1 trillion, and then we got rejected. This was the top of the bull market of the previous cycle. I don't believe that was it. I truly believe that we are heading towards here on the 2 trillion market cap for Total 3. I'm just a guy on the internet and for sure not a financial advisor, so everything we'll say in this video is just for entertainment purposes only. No one make the rules. This is a great Bitcoin pattern. Just look at these days. 525, again 532. We are on this cycle. If we take 532 days, that means we're going at the end of 2025. Simple things. Buy when we are below that red and sell when we are above that green. Right now we're not even in the green territory, not above green. And what do we see here? Yes, Bitcoin above $200,000. It remains to be seen if we reach those targets, but for now everything seems like under control. Nothing has changed. No, this time is not different. Again, here same story with another chart. What do we see here? These patterns repeat again and again. We have a long way to go, guys, right now for here. As you can see, we are in the mania phase. We are on the banana zone. Yes, cool-offs may happen, but don't worry. Long way to go. Oh boy, I really love this. We are on a daily chart. We're going 2 cycles back. Here we are on the 10,000 territory. This is called a doji candle. This is where a big fight is going on between bulls and bears. This happened on 10,000, and look at what happened after. We were exploding. One cycle before, when this daily doji candle appeared right over here, exploding move to the upside. 3 days before, we had this exactly same daily candle. For now, we have not exploded like the previous time, but I think this is really coming. Guys, that is the net taker volume indicator for Bitcoin on Binance. In the last couple of months, when this indicator fell below 30 million, that was an exceptional buy signal. I truly believe that this time is not different. Time to buy the dip, guys. Net unrealized profit and loss, or else NUPL, is one more indicator that shows us this is not the top. We have not entered the euphoria phase for now. This is by blue color, as you can see in the previous bull markets. Right now we just got on the belief and denial. That's what people think right now. So until we enter the euphoria, the mania phase, when every coin pumps up 100% daily, relax, we have a long way to go. Switching gears now, and the problem in the bull markets are that people are getting extra greedy. They're putting leverage longs with 100x, 50x. That is pure gambling, guys. And as long as people playing with fire, these events will happen. This was one of the biggest liquidations ever. It was the biggest since 2021. People, you shouldn't be playing with leverage if you don't know what you're doing. Max 3 to 5x leverage for people that don't know what they're doing. Almost 13 billion in open interest just wiped out of the markets. Do me a favor, guys, when you're playing with leverage, be careful. That's what they want. They want your Bitcoin to go to their hands. This is their only way. I've been talking about supply crunch for over a year right now, and we see this taking place right over our eyes. This is the Bitcoin balance on exchanges, and yep, we hit all-time lows again. So where all these BlackRocks, all these ETFs, all these micro-strategies find the Bitcoin they need? Because supply crunch is coming from you, and this is their only play. Market makers will play the market to get your Bitcoin, to make you scared. But while you are scared, look at these buys. Someone just bought 58 million worth of Bitcoin, and we have a new Mr. 100. I made a short video about him. Look at these guys. Don't be scared. They're trying to play with your mind, and they will succeed as long as you're playing with leverage, and these events will happen. Unfortunately, Microsoft said no for the decision to add Bitcoin on their holdings for now. We'll see in the future. I think that they'll change their mind. One more big player left on the table, and this is Amazon. In the next days, they'll decide if they will add Bitcoin. It will be big, guys, for a Magnificent 7 company to add Bitcoin to their balance sheets. We're waiting for their decision. Game theory is unfolding, ladies and gentlemen. 47 countries are on the path to Bitcoin adoption. There will never be enough Bitcoin for everyone. I'm telling this for years right now. Meanwhile, Tether prints. What does this mean? New USDT coming on our market. New money flow to cryptocurrencies. This is very exciting news. Still believe this time is different? Just take a close look at these charts. Why you think this time will be different? Right now, we're waiting for the second leg of bull market to be unfold. Long way to go. Switching gears again, and let's talk about our favorite ecosystem, Solana. They managed to surpass 1,200 transactions per second. True TPS, guys, and not all this bullshit we hear online for other chains. And Fire Dancer is yet to come. And guess what? One more big airdrop is coming in Solana ecosystem. Our favorite Jupiter. Yes, I think on the 2nd of January we will get the second airdrop of Jupiter. 2 more to come, one every year. Every January for 4 years they will reward us with airdrop, plus all the rewards they are giving us every 3 months because we stake and vote on Jupiter. What else can we ask from this great project? The airdrop criteria will be announced in the next days, but they said they will be filtering all the CBILs and the bots. Good for us, guys, good for real users. One of the biggest airdrops happened again on Solana. That was Magic Eden. A lot of guys from our community earned 5 figures from this airdrop. Congratulations to all. And now Magic Eden will enable Solana NFT traders to use their Magic Eden tokens for trading, and they will also earn rewards on their sales. Take a close look at this. This is a member from our community on the Discord. He earned $32,000, nearly $33,000, and he was unlucky. Magic Eden started at $14. He could have earned $70,000. This is really big, guys. From one airdrop, your life can change. Congratulations, my friend. Big congratulations. And if you want to join our community, you will find the link on the description of the video. Here, go to subscription tabs, and there you can find all the information, all the benefits of our private community. We have destroyed everything in 2024, more than $1 million. Soon I will have the exact numbers. We're hitting it big time. We're going to the moon. All the quests, all the news, all the votes, everything there. New airdrops, how to avoid scams, everything included on one team. Back to Solana, because we're not done, where developers announced the raise of block limits to 50 million. Yes, extra scalability, capacity, and net core performance coming on Solana. Solana does more daily transactions than all the other chains combined. You still wondering what is the best chain right now? One chain to rule them all. Where did this came from? Oh yes, from Lord of the Rings, but for sure we can apply this here. Let's now shift to AI. Yes, Tesla is fighting to break the big resistance of $400. This is really big. Yes, I called it AI. I'll explain in a second. Look at this. This is very big. I'm telling everyone at the end of this bull market, I'm rotating everything to Tesla. This is my big play, not a financial advice. I've been accumulating Tesla hard on 140, on 180, on 210. This was the big support zones. I managed to acquire a lot of Tesla shares. Unfortunately, I didn't reach my goal because the explosion started. Hope we trace back at least to $300 to buy more. But this is the big play for the next 6 years for me. And some people say this is just a car company. Oh my god. Look at this. The energy storage. They're building gigafactories for energy storage. The demand for energy is very high. They have lithium refineries. They're feeding their battery cells, which they provide their vehicles and their energy storage. They are feeding chargers for their electric vehicles. Service and collision, obviously. FSD will be available, fully available on summer of 2025. Can you imagine how big is this? This is powered by AI compute, which also powers Optimus. Have you seen what Optimus is capable to do? The new version can catch balls in the air. This is really unbelievable. They will have Robotaxi also summer 2025. This will cost $30,000, and whoever owns a Robotaxi can earn $30,000 yearly income. This will be a fight to earn the Robotaxis. They will have Robovans. This is the leading AI company of all. And there's a lot of people saying, no, I want my gasoline, I want my engine to be here. I don't care. For me, time is money. Imagine that you don't have to spend your time driving. This is a worthless time. Imagine reading a financial book, the car driving by itself, and you hear your podcast, you hear your YouTube videos. This is big time, guys. Time is money. Now let's look at this puppy. This is unbelievable. This is amazing, really. Oh my god. Yes, to equal Tesla's market cap, you need the 9 largest auto companies combined. Can you really believe those numbers? This is the rule of 3. When a new technology disrupts an old one, it is 3 times bigger. As we can see, we start from personal computers, almost 3 times bigger. Then we got the internet, then we transit to mobiles, and then we transit to cloud services. Now AI is coming. Obviously, this will be very big, 3 times bigger. These numbers are very scary. This is beyond imagination. Just a couple more things about macro and global stuff, and I'm out here. I promise. Global liquidity is expected to rise in 2025. That means that money coming in general to economy. We saw that China will adopt Bitcoin as strategic reserve within 1 year. We saw China voting for policy stimulus to growth in 2025. We expect USA to do exactly the same. More money will come to economy. This is the global cycle. This is the most important, more important than the Bitcoin 4-year cycles. Everything on this planet is driven by global liquidity. The Fed has not yet pivoted to QE. All eyes now on the 18th of December on the next FOMC, because although the Fed has started decreasing their interest rates, it is remained to be seen if they pivot to QE, to quantitative easing. What does this mean? They will increase their balance sheet holding, and this is the start of the bull run, the start of the altcoin season. We have to wait a week to find out. Lastly, what do we notice? We notice, people, a shift to utility coins and to dinosaur coins, not meme coins, not everything else. The last month was only about these 2 sectors. To my opinion, dinosaur coins, yes, they had the run because people suddenly start talking about crypto. They had the Coinbase, a Binance. This is the most accessible coins to have someone, so they opened the forgotten Coinbase account they had for 2-3 years and they bought the coins they knew. I think they had the run. but on the other side we saw a shift on the utility coins. Near Protocol, the leading AI and Layer 1 also project, I really love it. I was screaming on Near before it reached $1. I have a great entries of Near, a great support would be at 5.70. Sui also, again, I was screaming at 0.5 to buy. Now look at Sui, but again, I will be adding on my DCA at 3.30. I think that Aptos will have its turn exactly like Sui. I have bought Aptos on 6.50 and on 8. Right now, if it reaches my target at 10, I will add more to my DCA. I have stopped buying Ethereum ecosystem. I have stopped buying Cosmos ecosystem. Okay, one exception on Athena. This is one of my biggest holdings right now. We entered at 0. How can anyone buy a coin at 0? By airdrop, of course. We got 2 airdrops of Athena. The third is coming. I also bought at 0 and 22. And look at this. This is a bull market coin, guys. It's exactly like Thor. It performs great on bull markets and it goes down very hard on bear markets. I think I will add more Athena at $0.80. Superverse is my gaming play for this bull market. Not engine, not Gala. Leave those dinosaurs outside and focus on the winners. My first bought at 0.75 and my big buy was $1 and $12. Right now I will be adding to my DCA in 1.35. Czech is one more coin that I'm really interested. I didn't manage to buy as much as I like. This is the Shopify of RWA. This is really a great opportunity. I bought here at 0.32. I think yes, if it reaches back this level, I will add more. Look at what we did with Mantra. We got also the Mantra airdrop. So I think Czech is the new RWA play for me. I have also built a Solana altcoin portfolio and a Move language portfolio of altcoins. That means Sui and Aptos. I think these three ecosystems will have a big run in this bull market. Already we have made great returns on Solana altcoins portfolio. To see everything, you should join our Discord here for every detail on every coin and a lot of airdrops. That was it, my lovely people. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really did, please smash that like button. It costs 0 gas fees, totally free. Always a nice comment is appreciated. Of course, subscribe to the channel for more airdrops and for more videos like this. Nothing more to say right now. A lot of airdrops are coming. Airdrop news, airdrop updates, anything on crypto market. We will see it here first. Thank you for everything. See you on the next one. Here at Airdrop Hunters.